Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, click on passwords and security, and tap on screen lock over here. Then pick one of the locking methods, pattern, pin or password by clicking on the chosen one. Now wait 5 seconds and click got it. Over here I need to draw my pattern, then draw it again and tap on confirm. Over here, if you want to add fingerprint, click add and follow the instructions, but I don't want to, so I will go with cancel. And now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!